Top 5 mistakes to avoid while using hydraulic power packs. Top 5 most common mistakes which can damage your hydraulic power packs, can increase your downtime, service charges, and most important, can affect your production cost. Mistake 1. Use of wrong hydraulic fluid. Viscosity and fluid compatibility is important. Incorrect fluids can cause damage of your machinery. Mistake 2. Oil contamination. Contamination is one of the leading causes of failure. Even tiny particles can damage sensitive components, reduce efficiency, and lead to expensive downtime. Mistake 3. Overlooking pressure settings. The pressure is too high or too low can cause serious problems, even complete system failure. Set pressure correctly. Mistake 4. Poor maintenance or inspection habits. Lack of routine checks leads to unexpected breakdowns. Mistake 5. Wrong sizing selection of the power pack. Undersized power packs can cause overworked systems. Oversized are inefficient use of energy and cost too. Hydraulic power pack maintenance tips. Extend the life of your system. Here are some steps and tips to maintenance practices every user should know. Tip 1. Check and change hydraulic oil regularly. Look the oil condition, its color, smell, clarity. We recommend to change the oil in intervals. Tip 2. Clean or replace the filters. The dirty filters reduce efficiency. Check and replace them after a certain time period. Tip 3. Inspect for leaks and where are common leak points. Hoses, seals, fittings. Tighten or replace parts safely. Tip 4. Monitor system temperature and pressure. Overheating is dangerous. Use temperature indicators to monitor the temperature. Use gauges and sensors properly. Tip 5. Keep your unit clean. A clean environment gives longer system life. Use suction stainer, magnetic tank cleaners, etc. Use external cleaning methods.